are thrilled to have partnered with Stop Hunger Now for another year, and it's kicking off this year with 1 million meals. And we're starting, as you can see, right here at our home office. As you do this, you're impacting the lives of someone who really, really needs it. We're very excited about this partnership, and we know it will change lives throughout the world. Well, that's it, folks. A whole day of packing meals here at the home office in Scottsdale, Arizona. What a privilege it was for us to partner with Stop Hunger Now today and pack 50,000 meals. We're so proud of each one of you, and also for you for what you're about to achieve in this new year. Don't forget our goal this year, 1 million meals to help people throughout the world. In fact, these boxes right behind us are on their way to Cambodia to help the starving children there. I don't know about you, but it makes us feel pretty special, right guys? Yeah! Thanks everyone.